Guys, we just got here sa Mayfield Garden sa may Oberon. Mga 2 hours and 30 minutes ata yung drive namin kanina, guys. So, tingnan natin kung what's in here. The here that's calling over there. He's looking at me. I don't know why.
So we are here. I suppose we should see a lake somewhere down there.
A lake somewhere. All right.
Let's see.
Let's see. Oh. Parang cave ata to, guys. Yeah, look. We're going. It's not a cave. I thought it was a cave. This is the outside. Ito, guys, ay ang copper tree dito sa Mayfield Garden. So isa ito sa mga magandang attractions sa lugar na ito. So it's a water feature kaya makikita ninyo na may mga tubig na tumutulo. Dito, guys, napansin ko sa lugar na ito, maraming mga man-made waterfalls and man-made lakes. So sa ngayon, guys, makikita ninyo, walang mga dahon ang mga kahoy dahil it's winter. So, malamang, guys, maganda kung nandito ako pag ng summer or siguro fall o spring. Kasi yung mga kahoy na yan ay magkaroon ng mga dahon. At mukhang maraming mga bakanting mga guys. Walang mga halaman pa. So, I'm sure na nasa ibang seasons, maraming mga very colorful ang lugar na ito. Actually, nakita ko sa aking sa mga pinost ng aking mga kaibigan na pumunta dito na super ganda talaga, very colorful. Kasi ngayon, wala tayong makikitang mga colorful na mga leaves dahil nga it's winter. So this area naman, guys, ay ang grotto. So ito ay ang the Grotto Mayfield Garden. So, papasok tayo dyan, guys. Punta tayo sa ilalim ng grotto na yan. Ayan, makikita natin, guys, ang sa ilalim. Oh. Ano yan? Alright. So, ito ang sa ilalim, guys, ng grotto dito sa Mayfield Garden. Oh, my bat! Sana pumunta yung bat. At dito naman, guys, ang saan. Ang ganda, diba? Yung man-made waterfalls dito sa lugar na ito. So according to Wikipedia, guys, that Mayfield Garden is a botanical garden situated in Oberon, the Central Tablelands region of New South Wales, Australia. Located approximately 200 kilometers west of Sydney, the garden is one of the world's largest privately owned cool climate gardens, lying within a 2,000-hectare agricultural area. Wow, ang lawak talaga, guys. 500 acres or 2,000 hectares siya, guys, ang lugar na ito. Sana, guys, if you have time, pwede rin i-google ang place na ito para makita ninyo ang ganda ng iba't ibang mga kulay ng mga dahon at mga bulaklak. Sa ngayon kasi wala pang hindi nga makulay because it's winter. And the garden is the artistic and entertainment hub for the Central West area of the state, and it is opened daily with an entry fee. Yes, guys, ang entry fee papasok dito sa garden na to ay $20 Australian. So that would be like 700 pesos. Developed by botanist Gary Hawkins, Mayfield has been inspired by the gardens of Europe, which features vast greenery vistas, an avenue of trees, dazzling seasonal colors, and ornamental flowering. It is made up to two main garden areas, Mayfield Garden and the Hawkins's Family Private Garden. Oh guys, hindi ko napansin na may ano pala dito, may Hawkins's Family Private Garden. I don't know kung saan kaya. At dagdag pa dyan guys, it says na the site was originally a sheep farm. So sheep farm pala to siya guys dati. So maraming mga sheep dito. Which was established in 1984. Now Garrick Hawkins started reading a small personal garden in 1984 in an association with local nurseryman and landscaper Peter D'Arcy. I don't know how to pronounce it, guys, but it's letter D and then ARCY. Okay. 3 decades later, it evolved to become one of the largest and expensive gardens of its kind. Although agricultural activities still occur on the 2,025 hectares of land that encircles the garden has been refurbished, opening to visitors in 2008. So in 2008, nag-open ito guys para sa mga gustong pumunta dito. So ayun guys, yun ang maiksing history and background ng Mayfield Garden. So, sana guys makabalik ako dito in the future sa ibang season para masilayan natin at may share ko sa inyo ang napaka-colorful na garden na ito dito sa Oberon. So sana guys nag-enjoy kayo kahit na hindi man siya colorful pero maganda pa rin tignan dahil sa lawak at ang grass naman ay green pa rin at may mga bulaklak naman din na namulaklak. So sana guys nagustuhan niyo at maraming salamat sa pagpanood.